Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing 12 Amazon kitchen gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Soda can lids. Tired of your favorite drinks going flat too fast? Keep your beverages fresh and fizzy with soda can lids. These genius fizz keepers snap onto most drink cans, whether it's soda, beer, or energy drinks, so you can sip at your own pace without losing carbonation. Perfect for picnics, beach trips, or camping, they help prevent spills and waste. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic and dishwasher safe, they're the ultimate drink-saving hack. Grab yours today and enjoy every last bubbly sip. Number 2. Garlic press. Say goodbye to messy garlic chopping and hello to effortless meal prep with a garlic press. This easy squeeze tool crushes cloves in seconds, while its trigger-operated wiper blade clears out every bit. No waste, no hassle. A built-in cleaning tool, neatly stored in the handle, makes cleanup a breeze. Crafted for durability and convenience, it's even dishwasher safe. Whether you're a home chef or kitchen newbie, this must-have gadget guarantees perfectly minced garlic every time. Upgrade your cooking today. Number 3. Rice cooker. Say goodbye to soggy or undercooked grains with the rice cooker. This all-in-one set makes meal prep effortless, featuring a 2L cooking pot, colander, measuring cup, and a multi-purpose rice paddle that locks the lid for easy carrying and doubles as a serving spoon. Perfect for rice, quinoa, and more, it delivers fluffy, delicious results every time. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for stress-free cleanup. Simplify your kitchen routine and enjoy perfectly cooked grains with ease. Number 4. Electric salt and pepper shaker. Upgrade your kitchen with the electric salt and pepper shaker. This versatile 3-in-1 tool slices, forks, and even cuts popsicle-style watermelon pieces with ease. Perfect for family gatherings, picnics, and camping, its stackable design saves space while making fruit prep effortless. Crafted from durable food-grade plastic and stainless steel, it's both easy to use and clean. Whether you're a fruit lover or looking for the perfect kitchen gift, this gadget adds fun and convenience to every meal. Number 5. Non-stick cookware set. Upgrade your kitchen with the non-stick cookware set. Designed for durability and convenience, this set features a hard anodized exterior and titanium non-stick coating for effortless cooking and cleanup. With saucepans, fry pans, a griddle, sauté pan, Dutch oven, and more, you'll have the perfect tool for every recipe. Riveted silicone handles ensure a secure grip, while thermospot technology guarantees ideal preheating. Oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with most stovetops, this set is a must-have for every home chef. Number 6. Potato ricer. Achieve silky smooth mashed potatoes effortlessly with the potato ricer. Featuring a spacious 15-ounce basket with fine 3mm holes, this tool ensures lump-free perfection every time. The cushioned anti-slip handles provide easy leverage, making it perfect for ricing potatoes, carrots, yams, and even baby food. Crafted from rust-proof materials and dishwasher safe, it's built for durability and convenience. Whether you're a home cook or a pro, this must-have gadget guarantees flawless, creamy results with every press. Number 7. Whipped cream dispenser. Achieve professional quality desserts with the whipped cream dispenser. Made from lightweight, durable stainless steel, this dispenser includes 3 nozzles for decorative finishes. Its 500 milliliters capacity works with a standard 8GM N20 charger, not included. Ideal for whipping cream, making foams, mousses, and infusing flavors into liquids, it's perfect for both home kitchens and professional use. Easy to operate and clean, this dispenser brings creativity and flavor to every dish and drink. Number 8. Mini Waffle Maker. Start your day with a treat using the Mini Waffle Maker. This compact device creates perfectly sized 4-inch waffles in minutes, ideal for quick breakfasts or snack time. The non-stick PTFE surface ensures your waffles come out easily and cleanup is a breeze. Just plug it in, add your batter, and let the indicator light guide you to perfection. Perfect for single servings or batch cooking, this versatile waffle maker lets you enjoy both sweet and savory creations. Perfect for busy mornings, family fun, or satisfying your waffle cravings. Number 9. Omelet Maker. Whip up gourmet breakfasts in minutes with the Omelet Maker. This compact non-stick appliance lets you create perfect omelets, frittatas, quiches, and even snack pockets, no flipping required. The indicator lights take the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. Plus, it's not just for eggs, baked pastries, pies, and more with ease. Lightweight and easy to store, it's the ultimate kitchen gadget for quick, delicious meals. Elevate your breakfast game with convenience and creativity. Number 10. Electric Warming Tray. Serve every meal at the perfect temperature with the electric warming tray. Powered by advanced graphene technology, it heats evenly in just 8 seconds, keeping food warm without hot spots. With 6 temperature and timer modes plus an auto shut-off feature, you get precise control and added safety. Compatible with various cookware, this sleek, durable mat is easy to clean and store. Whether for home parties, family dinners, or everyday use, enjoy warm, ready-to-serve meals anytime. Number 11. Food Storage Containers. Keep your kitchen organized and your food fresh with food storage containers. This premium 12-piece set features durable borosilicate glass containers in various shapes and sizes, perfect for meal prep, leftovers, and on-the-go snacks. The airtight silicone seals and secure hinge clips ensure leak-proof storage, keeping food fresher for longer. Safe for the dishwasher, oven, and microwave, except lids, they withstand extreme temperatures with ease. Upgrade your food storage game with this versatile, durable, and convenient kitchen essential. Number 12. Rapid Egg Cooker. Make breakfast effortless with a Rapid Egg Cooker. This must-have kitchen gadget cooks up to 6 eggs to your perfect doneness, soft, medium, or hard-boiled in minutes. It's not just for boiling. Whip up poached eggs, scrambled eggs, and even individual omelets with ease. Compact and lightweight, it fits any kitchen, dorm, or RV. With included trays, a measuring cup, and recipe access, this versatile appliance takes the guesswork out of egg prep. Perfect eggs every time, hassle-free. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.